everyone, I'm Colin, and so this is Colin's Comics column. I'm excited to talk about Rat Queens this week because a new issue just came out recently. It's been a while since we've had a new issue, and they've done a couple one-off stuff and some fun web comics, and all of that stuff was great, but I missed the real meaty Rat Queen stories because, when the comic first came out, it was, I thought, really innovative and really exciting, and I know I did a video about it and really recommended that everyone read it, and it's great. Especially the first volume of Rat Queens is one of my favorite comic arcs I've read. If you haven't seen that video or are new to Rat Queens, it's an adventure book that takes place in kind of like a sort of Dungeons and Dragons-y world, where a popular occupation is getting a group of people together I say people, they could be orcs or halflings or druids or whatever, and going on adventures and questing for fame and glory and all of the reasons that people play Dungeons and Dragons. It's an adventure. You want to kill monsters and make money and have people go, "Hey, you guys are so cool." You go, "Yeah, I am." And it's little touches like that. You can tell that Curtis Weavy, the writer, is a great storyteller, and it continues to be one of my favorite books. So if you're not reading Rat Queens, you should read Rat Queens. Wondercon is happening this weekend, and I'm not going to it because I bought tickets to Harry Potter World at Universal this weekend, and so that's what I'm doing. But my editor is going to be there, and so if there's some out of context B-roll of a comic book convention, that's because he's all excited and I don't know what he's doing. So that's what that's doing in this video, I guess. Comics, Colin. Nope, that wrong. Bye.